In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks from Mercury Bank. To get started, head over to Mercury and sign into your account so you can access the main dashboard. Once you're in, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct business profile or workspace if your account includes more than one. That will help you avoid ordering checks for the wrong account. From the dashboard, look to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Payments. This is where Mercury keeps the tools related to sending money, managing payment methods, and handling check-related options. After that, click on Checkbooks. This section is specifically for ordering and managing physical checkbooks connected to your Mercury account. If this is your first time here, the page may look simple, but you should still see the option to continue with a new order. Next, click on Order Checkbook. This will open the order form where you'll enter the information needed to create your checks. Be sure to go slowly here, because the details you enter will affect how your checkbook is printed and delivered. You'll then need to select an account. Choose the Mercury account you want the checks linked to. This step is important since the checkbook will pull account-specific information for processing and printing. Once the account is selected, add a checkbook nickname. This is mainly for your own organization, so choose something clear and easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to manage multiple checkbooks. After that, enter the start number. This determines the first check number in the new checkbook. If you're ordering checks for the first time, you can use the number you prefer. If you're replacing or continuing an existing set, make sure the number fits your current sequence to avoid confusion in your records. Next, add the shipping address where you want the checkbook delivered. Double check the address carefully before moving on, because any mistake here could delay delivery or send the order to the wrong location. When everything looks good, click Next. From there, simply follow the next prompt on the screen to review or confirm the remaining order details. Mercury will guide you through the rest of the process. On the final page, you'll see a confirmation along with the estimated shipping time for your checkbook. You should also receive an order confirmation email followed by another email update when the checkbook has shipped. In most cases, the expected delivery time is around 10 to 14 business days. And that's how to order checks from Mercury Bank.